guys, so today is the day. The goal is to do the whole room in one day. That's the goal. A box right here, white and gold theme roll. And every now and then, because I love Decor, I may just do a pop cut. The base covering for my box spring. And then last but not least, get pillow inserts. The purpose of the reason why I purchased, can't get it out. The reason why I purchased these pillows is because I want the chop pillow effect. Like, you know how you look at the bed in Decor and it's like the pillow's like I feel the chop. That's what I want, you know. So busted sweat just by putting it was hard to put the back on the rails than it was to put the headboard together. Wow. Sweating. Oh my god, look at my face. But I got my TV. I'm so excited, y'all. I am drenched, baby. Oh my goodness. So we got the TV. We got exactly what we wanted.